Are you actually ready to invest your first $1,000? Before you invest your first dollar, pay off all high interest debt. This is debt that has an interest rate of 7% or more. So right off the bat, credit cards should be paid off before investing. Next, put away a $1,000 emergency fund. These funds are only to be used if something unexpected happens that may cause you to fall into debt, like vehicle repairs, house repairs, job loss, or missing work because of an illness. You'll eventually want to make an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses, but focus on the $1,000 first. If you check the first 2 boxes, then you are ready to invest your first $1,000. First, you need to create a financial goal you are investing for. Are you investing for your children's future, retirement, looking to purchase real estate, or are you just building wealth? Your goal for investing is quite important because it gives you your time horizon, and this will affect your risk tolerance. For example, if you were trying to buy your first home in a few years, it would be risky to invest aggressively. But if you're investing for retirement and you're only in your 20s, an aggressive portfolio would be less risky. The longer you are in the market, the more time you have to recover. And the longer you're in the market, the more your investments will compound and grow exponentially. Once you figure out your financial goal and time horizon, consider other factors like age, portfolio size, and personal comfort level. All these factors will help determine your risk tolerance. There's 3 main levels: aggressive, moderate, and conservative. Also consider that your risk tolerance may change closer to the financial goal. So where should you invest your first $1,000? In the stock market. Okay, but how? Through a robo-advisor platform. This is a platform that makes investing as easy as possible.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
No picking stocks and no knowledge of the stock market required. To get started, you fill out the questionnaire about your risk tolerance, which will help them choose an appropriate portfolio for you. After you choose a portfolio, set up auto deposits and automatically contribute to your portfolio. Then sit back and watch your portfolio grow. The robo-advisor will handle all the work choosing the assets in the portfolio, rebalancing and maintaining your proper asset allocation, tax loss harvesting, and dividend reinvestment. There's not an easier way to properly invest your first $1,000. In Canada, there's many platforms that offer some kind of robo-advisor portfolio. Some of the more notable ones include Mocha, Just Wealth, CI Direct Investing, Quest Wealth, RBC Investees, Nest Wealth, and my favorite choice, which I do use for my retirement goal, Wealthsimple. Each platform will come with its pros and cons, and one will make more sense for you than the others. I like Wealthsimple because I'm already integrated into Wealthsimple ecosystem with their stock trading platform. They also offer some of the lowest fees and have ways to get them waived. They have a simple and easy to use platform and even come with a $50 sign-up bonus when you make an initial deposit of $500 or more. If you're interested in using Wealthsimple, get yourself a $50 bonus when you use my link found in the video description below. Now, there are many different ways to invest $1,000. Like real estate, peer-to-peer lending, bonds, individual stocks, crypto, or precious metals. These assets aren't meant to be the base of your investment portfolio, but they will come into play when your investment knowledge grows and your portfolio grows. So be patient and take it one step at a time. If you want to continue learning, check out one of the videos on the right of the screen. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!